Social institutions. So meaning of social institutions. So these social institutions, they are basically made to fulfill the social needs of human beings. So the social institution is that whole of roles, status, moral values and functions catering to the social needs of human beings. So usually people when they get together to achieve their common needs and desires, institutions grow. So it requires many rules and regulations to function. So since the social rules and customs remain in operation, social institutions are born. So according to Summer and Keller, like living beings that have organs and cells, societies also have customs and institutions. So, how the living beings have organs and cells, same way the societies have customs and institution. So, a social institution is a permanent structure that fulfills the desires of a human being. So, features of social institutions. Universal. So, we find social institutions in all the societies. It is found all over the world. So, irrespective of time and space, social institutions are present in all human societies. So, family, marriage, and school have been part of human societies with necessary changes. So, social institutions have rules. So, these institutions regulate the behavior of their members. So, the members who violate the rules are prohibited from the participation. So, these social institutions, they direct their members to perform roles as per the rules strictly. So, in families, the role of elders and younger ones is fixed as per the rules framed by the individual families. The social institutions, they fulfill the basic needs. So, basic needs of human beings like shelter, food, sexual desire, procreation, and personality development. So, written and unwritten rules and regulations. So, some social institutions have written rules and some have unwritten rules and regulations. So, the customs, traditions, value systems, and others remain unwritten. It is not written. And the modern social institutions like courts, schools, and governments have their rules and regulations in writing. So, interconnected relationship, these social institutions are interconnected, so they depend upon each other. So, in a traditional society, the family used to take care of bringing up a child, whereas now in modern society, the schools share the role of bringing up a child. So, the children who come from different families, they are socialized in the school. So, importance of social institutions. So, these are medium of culture. So, through these social institutions, one learns the cultural aspects like knowledge, customs, values, and others from generation to generation. So, they fulfill the needs of the members. They also regulate their behavior. So, the social institutions, they prescribe and define good and bad behaviors. So, like for example, in school there is a uniform and a student is expected to behave in a particular way. So, if a child is behaving in a bad way, then he is corrected. So, he is corrected through punishment. So, Uh, if the child does not improve himself, then what happens? The school resorts to legal course of action. So this way the social institutions regulate the human behavior. Then they provide roles to individuals. So social institutions assign role to their members based on age and other yardsticks. Functions and role of social institutions. So functions of a family. So family assigns relationship to all its members. So the members function as per their roles. So the main role of the family is to nourish the members. So the elders like grandparents take care of the babies with caution till they become grown-ups. Family also provides nursing for the sick member or the weak elder member. Then security and socialization. So the family educates children about how to behave in the society through socialization. So it also provides social security to the members and provides them skills and nourishment needed for the younger members to become part of the society as adults. Then functions of marriage. So it is a social sanction. So it provides a social sanction for a man and a woman to live together. So it provides entry to the family life. So it allows the couple to stay together and lead a life of religious, economic, and social and cultural life. So it is as old as human civilization. So it is a base for the family. So the procreation of children, their upbringing, and nourishment takes place within the family. So legal sanctity in relationship. So marriage is not only a relationship between a man and a woman, it also is a relationship between their respective families. And the child born out of this marriage is a legal heir for the property of both the families. Then religion is another important institution found in all the societies. So it helps in socialization. So it helps in spread of values like truthfulness, patience, peace, sacrifice, and others. So social unity. The religion fosters unity, truthfulness, honesty, and non-violence are some of the religious values that aid the social unity. Protection of values. So it helps in preservation of values like truthfulness, honesty, and non-violence. Social control. So it is one of the major means of achieving social control. It controls the human life through God and spiritual concepts. So it guides its members to be disciplined and civilized. So there is a need to understand the function of religion and stop hating other religions.